मेरे जितने भी ख्वाब थे तेरी रंजिशों में जल गए. I was little, I used to look at old people and think they had dreams. Where did they go? Didn't they want to be someone? To be something? And now they just fall into routines and just do the same thing over and over again every single day. Later on, I thought maybe I was just depressed and I was just projecting my own unhappiness onto those people. Now I had a terrifying thought that maybe I was just mourning for my future self. I hope that's not true.